Hi there guys and gals, good midnight to each every one of you. Take a look at these stray cats. They are quarreling to each other. I think they're having some indifferences. Maybe the other one saying, "Leave me alone. I don't need you anymore." And the other one says, "No, I can't because you are my life." And then he says again, "Please forgive me. I can't afford to lose you. No need. Get out of my life," as what the other says. "We're over. We're finished. Get lost."